I want to show you how to separate video from audio in Premiere Pro. I've added a video clip to my timeline that has an attached audio clip to it. To separate your audio from your video, all you have to do is right-click the clip and then select Unlink. Now you can select your audio and video clips independently and edit them to your liking. You could also go ahead and select the audio track and delete it from the timeline to get rid of it entirely. But there is actually a much faster way to delete your audio without having to unlink it first. To show you this, I'm just going to undo unlinking my audio and video tracks. Now that the tracks are linked back together, you'll want to make sure that they aren't selected by clicking in this empty area. Now, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard and click on your audio clip to select only your audio, and then hit the Delete key to remove it. This shortcut for removing audio quickly has saved me tons of time. Let's solve together. Put your like and subscribe.